Hey guys, we're getting ready to go for a ride on the Erie Canal, the Erie Canal.
We're going to be going through 2 locks here at Lockport, New York.
And under the world's largest bridge, the size of a football field and a half.
Stay with us and check it out.
Miles on the Erie Canal. Every school kid has heard the song, but not many have ever had the chance to ride on it. The Erie Canal was built in 1825 and runs west to east from Lake Erie to the Hudson River. Basically, the canal connected the Great Lakes with the Atlantic Ocean and was the longest artificial waterways in North America at the time. It took 5 days to travel the 363 miles from Lake Erie to the Hudson River, and there was a change in elevation of almost 600 feet that led the engineers to solve a problem by creating canal locks. The largest drop was along the Niagara Escarpment in the town of Lockport, New York. Hey guys, behind us is the entrance to lock number 34 or 35, I can't keep them straight. These gates are about to open and we're going to raise up 25 feet on the Erie Canal. These modern locks were put into service around 1918, but for nearly 90 years before that, canal tenders relied on the flight of 5 locks at Lockport. The 5 locks stretch 450 feet in length and drop nearly 60 feet from top to bottom. The original locks were wooden and were opened and closed manually. Today's locks, though, only take one person pushing a button to open and close them. Another engineering marvel to come from the Erie Canal is the Big Bridge. Its claim to fame is that it's one of the widest bridges in the world, coming in just shy of 400 feet. The Big Bridge carries New York's State Route 31, Saxton Street, Cottage Street, and houses 2 parking lots. Well, I don't know about you, but I had a really good time.
I did too. I thought the best part of the trip was when we were coming out of the canal and we passed another boat coming the other way. That was awesome.
That was fun. And here at the canal park, they actually have, and you can see all of our friends behind us here, they have a museum, they have a lot of interpretive displays. If this isn't on your bucket list, it really needs to be. Check out the Lockport Locks in Lockport, New York.
See you next time, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And for even more fun stuff, check out our other playlists at The Fun Chasers on YouTube. So till next time, enjoy the journey regardless of the destination. Be nice to your fellow travelers. And above all, have fun. Hey, see you next time.